If it is a all-controlling outside deity, God, or somebody in the sky, then all of us should have equal experiences, equal chances, equal start, equal end. Equal. Example, there are places in Africa, there are places in Asia, there are places in, I don't know where, in distant parts of our world where nobody's heard about religion. So if they've never heard about Buddha, they've never heard about Jesus, they go to hell, they go to purgatory? Doesn't make sense. What about the millions of years that man has been on this earth and women have been on this earth? Do all of them hang out in purgatory? Well, why even create them then? Why don't you manifest yourself earlier so they can look at you, take refuge in you, and they can go to heaven? Doesn't make sense. Nonsense. Because in Buddhism, we debate logically. So I'm not criticizing another religion. I'm debating for my own spirituality. So therefore, if it's an all-controlling God in the sky, we must be born the same. What explains the disparity? One is suffering, one is happy, one is retarded, one is this, one is that, and it changes. It doesn't stay still. Your karma and the deeds you created. Example, if you beat other people and you torture other people, you will be born maimed, handicapped. The Buddha said very clearly, as a result of your own karma. Whether you believe in a God or not is all right, but what you need to believe in is yourself. You need to believe in what you do and that you control your future. You control what happens to you. And all the disparity you see in this world cannot be explained by God. All the disparity you see in this world can be explained more clearer if we take responsibility for it, which is karma.